Hi guys, and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to use Etsy ads effectively. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get started. So in today's video, we are going to be focusing our topic on Etsy ads and how to use it effectively. So if you're an Etsy seller looking to boost your shop's visibility, attract more potential customers, and increase sales, Etsy ads can be a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. In this video, I will guide you through some essential tips and best practices to make the most of your Etsy ads and also to get the best results when you're using it in your shop. Let's start. First is that you need to understand your Etsy ads. So this is actually a crucial part of making Etsy ads work. So Etsy ads is also known as promoted listing, will allow you to promote your products to a specific target audience within Etsy search results and other relevant placements. So for every ad, you need to pay for a certain amount, and this is what we call a cost per click or CPC fee, which for each click on your ad, the ad will display until your budget is exhausted or until the campaign ends. So let's go to our second one. Next is that you need to set a realistic budget. The first step in using Etsy ads effectively is to set a realistic budget. Start with a budget you're comfortable with and gradually increase it as you get a better understanding of your ads performance. Etsy's ad manager provides data on clicks, conversions, and spending, which will help you assess on the return of your investment. Third, identify your target audience. So you need to understand as a seller who your potential customers are, what they're searching for, and as well as their interests. So basically, this is a way of researching on the demographics of the audience that you are targeting to in your Etsy selling page. So you need to also use relevant keywords in your ad targeting to ensure your products appear to the right people and to the people that you're really targeting to. Also, as a seller, you need to regularly review the search terms that will trigger your ads and adjust your targeting accordingly. Next is optimize your product listing. So ensure your product listings are optimized before using Etsy ads. High quality images, clear titles, and detailed descriptions, also relevant tags, will not only make products more appealing to buyers, but also improve your ads performance. Listings that will convert well organically are more likely to perform well in ads. So this is very important and very crucial, especially like for the images that we actually input in our Etsy ads, because we of course do not want our customer to see very bad images of our listings, since we're also selling that and it's also part of our branding. So as much as possible, try to create and upload high quality images of the products that you are selling. And also, descriptions are also very important, as well as tags. Moving on to the next one is that you need to start with a small campaign. This is especially for new Etsy ads users. You need to start with a small campaign. So this is just to test the waters. You need to choose only a few of your best performing products to promote initially. And then once you are already familiar with how Etsy ads works, then you can actually gradually make it to a better one. So try to monitor the performance closely and adjust your ad targeting and budget accordingly to also maximize the return of your investment. Next is monitor and optimize. Constantly monitor your Etsy ads to gauge the effectiveness. And pay attention to the click-through rate or CTR and conversion rate. If a particular ad is not performing well, consider tweaking and targeting or changing the keywords or optimizing the listing itself. So if an ad is not working, this means to say that your listing is not as good or not as appealing to the customers or your target audience, basically. Regular optimization will really help you get the best results from your Etsy ads. Next is that we could have our split testing. So consider split testing or A/B testing, different and variations. Try creating multiple ads with different titles, images, or targeting options to see which ones perform best. But also take note that when you are creating multiple ads, you need to stick to your budget. Alright? And this data-driven approach can actually help you refine your ad strategy and focus on what resonates with your audience. Next is that you can also create seasonal promotions and special offers. Take advantage of seasonal promotions and special offers to attract more buyers. This creates limited time deals or discounts and promote them through your Etsy ads. These promotions can create a sense of urgency and entice potential customers to make a purchase. Next is that you can also adjust bids and targetings as well. So again, regularly review and adjust your ad bids and targeting to optimize your campaign. Etsy ads will allow you to set bids for individual listings, giving you control over how much you're willing to pay for each click. Assess the performance of your ads and adjust your bids accordingly. Increase bids for high converting products and decrease bids for low performing ones. Additionally, analyze the performance of different targeting options such as categories or keywords and make adjustments to reach the most relevant audience. Next is that use high quality images. Images play a crucial role in attracting potential customers and driving clicks to your listings. So using high quality, visually appealing images that accurately represent your products will surely help you catch your target audience attention. Ensure your images are well lit, in focus, and showcase the unique features of your item. High quality images not only enhance your Etsy ads but also improve the overall appeal of your listing. So by following these additional best practices, you can take your Etsy ad strategy to the next level. Remember to monitor your campaign's performance on a daily basis and adjust your bids and targeting. Also optimize your listing conversions as well. Leverage the data and analytics provided by Etsy to make data-driven decisions and continuously refine your advertising strategy. With a well-executed Etsy ad campaign, you can increase your shop's visibility, attract more customers, and ultimately boost your sales. I hope this tutorial on Etsy ads will help you boost and increase your sale in the market. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.